If you have a reel mower with trailing wheel setup, as you see here, you have an ease of height adjustments by just moving the adjusters on the back wheels. As you see, they're in the vertical position right now. This will give you the lowest cutting height on your reel mower. If you move them in unison to the same slots, and there are a total of 9 slots, you can get 9 different cutting height adjustments. Straight up is the lowest cut, and then moving them down and both sides have to be in the same location. That gives you your tallest cut. Like this is your tallest cut, and this is your lowest cut. And what this is what we call a minor height adjustment. We'll also get into what we call a major height adjustment, where we actually change the height of the reel in relationship to the wheels to get you even lowered. If you want to, in some instances, get down to a 1/2 inch cut, you have the capabilities with the American Lawnmower products.